today we're cooking a light soup. So the light soup is the remain of the liji, the barracuda fish we cooked with barbecue last night. So I'm just going to set a fire right now. Here is the fire. I'm going to put a camera here so we can go straight in. So we're setting the fire. So this is the cool pot. This is how the cool pot look like. So I got this from the palm tree. And I also got this from the trees. I'm going to put a little bit kerosene on this, and I'm going to light it. What I'll do is, let me put a camera here. So I'm just going to put some kerosene on it, making sure it's lit. Then before I lit it with a gas lighter. The fire to lit properly on a cool pot. Then after that, then I'll prepare everything on this pot here, and then we'll put it on the fire, then wait for 45 minutes and the light soup will be ready. So guys, please do me a favor while we're cooking. My nephews are there preparing the food. Please do us a favor, like the video, comment, and also if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. Please like the video and share the videos. Let's continue cooking. So there's a power cut this morning and the tap also stopped working this morning. I believe it's kind of related. You know what? Since I've been using the tank, they just completed the tap about 24 hours ago. You know, I've had so much shower, but I think I have to go back to the basics and start using the tank. Probably that's the main. You know what? I think that's the reason why we have the tank. Just in an event like this where they close the tap and nothing works and you need to get cold, you just use the tank. So guys, at the end of this video, I'll probably have a shower. You won't see the shower, but I need to get cold because it's very hot. It's about 33 degrees today. It's very, very hot in the garden. And the fire, the cool pot is getting there, you know. Just need to make sure it's lit properly, and then we can start cooking some light soup. Right, so guys, you can see the fish here. So I'm going to rinse the fish with the lime so that it doesn't smell. But this is so big from last night. You know, I don't have a sharp knife, so we're going to cook it like that. We're going to cook it just like this. It's all rinsed. We're going to throw this into the lagoon. My nephew is filming. I'm trying to teach him how to create content. Going to mix it. So it's called light soup. That's how we do our light soup in Ghana. I'm going to use the water from the tank. So I'm going to use the water from the tank. So you can see here's the water from the tank. I'm going to mix it. Now, and I'll add a bit of tomato. Right. So I'm waiting for the fire to be ready, then I'll add other spices to the soup. So here's the soup. You know, it's not ready yet, but by the time we finish, it's going to look amazing. Right, so we don't have enough onions, so this is the only onions we got. So what we're going to do, we're going to add these onions to the soup. Here's the onions. And you can see now, that's the onions. I'm going to use this later for spices. This onga from Ghana, so you can get this in Ghana everywhere. So this is just the light soup. This is how we cook the light soup. Like, Normally we cook it with gariba like a pinot, but today it's just a light soup with the kids, with the fish in there. Very tasty. So I need to wash this. Right, so I'm just waiting now. Okay. Condo. So this is what I normally made the bankun with. So for the light soup to be very thick, I use a bit of this. So watch me how I'm going to prepare this to add to the soup. Okay. So I'm going to scoop just tiny bit of this. And I'll put you in a tank out. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix the agbelimo with just a tiny bit of water. That's how we were taught how to prepare light soup. So you can see now, this is a traditional way of cooking light soup. Now I'm going to use my onga. You can see now I'm going to break the onga into the agbelimo. I'm going to mix it. You can see now. I'm going to mix it now. Now let's go. Well, I'm going to add it to my soup. It's all in. Whichever. I'm going to rinse it. You can see. Now our soup is ready. Now it's going on the fire. It's going on the fire. The only thing left now is salt. So we're going to add some salt. Then we'll check to see if it's salty or not. If it's not, we'll add a bit of salt to it. So now the soup will cook for probably 45 minutes or 1 hour. We're just having some wache this morning while the soup is cooking. Yeah? Alright, so I'm just going to check if how's the light soup doing. So let's open it to check it out. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Very, very hot. Wow. I need to get something to hold it. Give me a second. Look at that. Looking amazing. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this, yours. Oh my god. Look at that. Is that not beautiful, guys? So amazing. Look at that. So I think the light soup is almost ready. So I'm just going to open it. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh, let me go get a spoon. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just to make sure it tastes good, because you know the kids like to critique my cooking. So if the kids say it tastes good, then I know I want this cooking challenge. Oh yeah. What yeah? Oh yeah. So I'm just going to check the soup. I think the soup is ready now. Yeah, I'm just going to. Oh my god, look at that. They look amazing. Wow. They look really, really good. soup is ready. The kids want to have. I'll give the kids this one. The channel's ball. Where? Okay. You are. Flash on. Every year. Eh? You're only a rahoji. Eh? Have you been there?